everybody, it is Jessica with PlanitSouthern, and in today's video we are checking out the March subscription box from Planner Society, and I cannot wait to get inside of this box. I have only cut the side right here so that I can get in, and that is it. I haven't looked in it at all. So if you want to see what's inside this box, then keep on watching. Alright, so first of all, let me just let you know that I do have my windows open today. It is a beautiful spring day here in Charleston. It is only 67 degrees, so I had to open my windows and let my house air out while the pollen wasn't attacking and while it wasn't raining. So in today's video, like I said in the intro, we are going to be taking a look at what is inside the March Planner Society box, and I already know that I'm going to be using my Lush, which was just sitting here on my desk. Oh, here it is. So I'm going to be using my Lush. I know that from looking at the sneak peeks, and this is a B6 size. So I really wanted to go ahead and try and pre-film some videos for you guys. So I'm going to try and figure out a way to do my dashboards so that I can film that and have it go up because I'm going out of town this weekend. So let's take a look at what is inside here, and I'm just going to play some music and kind of mute this because I'm going to try and open all of the packages so that I get that out of the way and it's not really loud for you guys.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know, about to see.
Alright, before I take everything out of these bags, let's just take a look at how beautiful they are. I love the sound of paper in my planner, so I'm going to definitely be making some sort of insert cover or dashboard or something. Maybe just put it around an insert. This is a beautiful pattern, beautiful. And then this is the bag that the Washi sub came in, I should say. I don't have proper English today, grammar. So that is beautiful. And then this is the one from the Box Society, which is, again, gorgeous. So I'm going to take everything out and lay it on top of the bags that it came in. That way we don't get confused and we also don't have all that noise. Alright, now that that is taken care of, let's take a look at the sticker kit first. So the box sticker kit came in this bag right here, and I really like this kit. I don't use it all that often. I do use these. Oh, those are gorgeous. Look how good this kit is going to look with my Lush. I love it. Okay, so I really, really love this pattern. And if you don't know already, the Planner Society actually, Christy released the extra die cuts and papers that weren't used. She released those in her shop, and I already bought them, and I've already made one kit sheet with them, and I'll show that to you. But, oh, I absolutely love this font. Gorgeous. These are beautiful, beautiful stickers. I'm going to put these back in their, well, I'm just going to sit them back on top and put a pin on them because the weight. Okay, now the washi kit. Here, let me just pop open this washi because I learned in my last Planner Society video that you can't really see the washi that great because the glare on this clear paper. While I'm taking this last wrapper off, I have been thinking about trying to figure out a way to display all of my, or to keep my Planner Society kits. I used to be subscribed to Cocoa Daisy, and I actually think I might sell a lot of my Cocoa Daisy stuff, just because I think that I was holding on to it to art journal. So I don't know. I think I might sell like remaining stuff from my Cocoa Daisy kits. And I'm going to try and at least de-stash some or sell some anyway. And I want to kind of keep all of my Planner Society stuff where I can see it and reuse it. Right now I'm just keeping it in little thin cases upstairs in a box, and then I have Cocoa Daisy stuff. I don't know. Oh, you know, let me pause this. Okay, so sorry about that. Our Wednesday is our trash day, and it's also when the city comes by and picks up any cleanup and debris off the streets. And because we live in South Carolina and our state tree is the palmetto tree, we have a ton of them, and this is the time of the year where you have to trim them and cut all of that good dead stuff off. So anyways, I was talking about storing my Planner Society kit. So I want you guys, if you have a way, if you use Planner Society or Cocoa Daisy or some kind of sub box, if you would tag me in some photos on Instagram and let me see how you store your stuff, or comment down below with like a video or something, some storage ideas, that would be awesome. So here is the wide washi, and I absolutely love this washi this month. Trying to get it to focus for you guys. There we go. I love this washi this month. It is gorgeous. So there's that one. This one you can't see that well. Let me see if I have a piece of white paper. Here you go. Maybe that will help. Anyway, this one is like a VW bug. And it has, let me see if I can find the thing here. The end. There we go. Okay, maybe that will focus. Anyway, I think this is the cutest. You can probably see pictures on Instagram from where she does the sneaks to get really detailed photos of this washi. I just think it is gorgeous. And then this one matches the bag from the box kit, so I love that. So this is the washi from the Washi subscribe kit. So this is a pair of the bows. This is in the main kit, so if you subscribe to the main kit, you will get this as well. Here are the tabs. I never ended up using these in March. So hopefully I get to use these. I really want to use these in April. Here's the bag of die cuts. I'm not going to open them up and go through them all because there's a ton of them. But the die cuts, you get those as well. And this is actually the bug that's on that washi. So that is super cute. Then, of course, you get a pen, which is 2 of the papers. This is a beautiful pen. Let's see what kind of... This is the first thing that I always look at. I look to see if I can take and change out the refill, and I can. So this one I'm actually going to be putting a needle tip insert in because I love a good needle tip pen if I'm not using a fountain pen. So great, that's a good pen. So this is the washi that's in the kit. This is some swans. I'm trying to hurry because my battery is flashing that it's going to die. So I'm so excited to get one of these this month. This is a sticker book. Super excited to get one of these because I had one last April. Actually, it was in the last April's kit and I use it every day. So I'm excited to get one like this. Here are some sticky notes. The to-do, today, blah, blah, blah tabs. A swan. Oh, these are the pockets. So these are papers from the kit, and these are adhesive pockets. Oh, the stickers. I forgot about those. So let's open up these paper. So in this kit, you get 2 sets of each design. So they're front and back. So one is the front and one is the back. So that is the first set. Here is the second set of papers. I love this pack. Here is a sheet of vellum, which is adorable. I love this vellum. And I love this sheet as well. There is a piece of acetate which has swans, if you can see that. Let me grab my white sheet here. Beautiful swans. And then this is the last set. So I am going to get off of this camera right here because it is going to die on me. I need to go charge the batteries, and I will hop on to another camera and do the outro. Okay, so my camera died on me, so I have to switch to my computer, which is just great. So I'm opening up the stickers from the main kit to show you guys. I use these stickers all the time. I put them all over my pages. So, put that away. So let's take a look. Oh, these are so cute. Here's this sheet. And then we have this sheet here. These are super cute boxes. They're not that big, but they're cute. And then some dresses. Super cute. I know the coloring is horrible, but it's the same, like that same purple color. I think it's because my windows are open. So the Planner Society released the digital kit. I was telling you about that earlier. So I actually I bought that and I created this little kit right here. Now, I know every single time I make digital stuff from the Planner Society, everyone asks me, are you going to list that in your shop? And I really, really, really wish that I could. Really wish I could. But oh, my hair is everywhere. Unfortunately, Christy does not allow for commercial use on her papers or her icons, which is completely fine. That's her stuff. This is stuff that comes from the Planner Society kit. I don't expect her to do it at all. But it's great for those of us who have a silhouette or know how to use a silhouette. We can make cool die cuts and icons and stickers and all kinds of stuff with the papers. I really, really, really love that she does digital kits, and I wish she would do them every month because this is awesome. But on the other hand, you can also print stuff out in Word. You can create the same things in Word or in the Mac Pages. You can create the same stuff and print it out on sticker paper at home, and you can cut them out yourself. It's a lot of work, but it makes it worth it if you really want to use the kits, the digital kits. I personally did that before I got a silhouette machine. I used to buy digital clip art and icons, and I would cut them out by hand or use punches, stuff like that. So I made this one for my shop insert. I used these boxes here. They're habit trackers. I use them to keep up with like filming, uploads, edits, comments on my YouTube channel, stuff like that. And then the other habit tracker I use to post, to keep track of posts on Instagram, my morning and afternoon post on Instagram. And then the others are just labels that I use. Let me show you. I post this on Instagram, but you guys may not have seen it. So this is how it looks. We're going old school here. My old school videos when I tried to film on this computer and didn't know which way to move. But this is how I use it. So I just put a weekly to do here, orders, videos, and then this is where I keep track of all of that. So that is what I used the digital kit for, and it's pretty awesome. I love the digital kits. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Planner Society unboxing. Do not pay attention to all of this clutter that is this way. I'm actually working on spring cleaning videos for you guys. They're going to be going up in April. About once a week, I'm going to be putting up a deep cleaning spring video, and I started with my pantry, and I'm actually working on editing that video this week, so it will go up next week. And this over here is all overflow junk from that. I knew as soon as I started decluttering stuff and spring cleaning that one thing would lead to another, and my house would look like it completely exploded from the inside out. So just don't look at my clutter. You'll see it in a cleaning video, and I'll put it away. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video today. I can't wait to show you guys how I use everything from the Planner Society March kit for my April setup, which will be coming out probably Monday is when that video is going to go up. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!